In the heart of Willowdale neighborhood, where gardens burst with sunflowers and marigolds, the laughter of children often echoed through the air, weaving a fabric of joyous simplicity. Today was no different. Sarah and her brother Jamie were inaugurating their summer vacation with a time-honored tradition, a lemonade stand, their own little venture marked by a wobbly table and a hand-painted sign. The sun perched high, casting a golden glow as Sarah ate, with freckles scattered across her nose like sprinkled cinnamon, squeezed lemons with determination. Jamie, a year younger, took his role as the salesman very seriously, practicing his most charming smile. Lemonade, cool lemonade for a hot day, he chanted, his voice bubbling with enthusiasm. Their first customer was Mr. Jenkins, the elderly man from next door, who, ambling over, chose to pay with a wink and a story about lemonade stands from his own childhood rather than the 50 cents the sign requested. Sarah listened, her eyes wide with wonder, storing his tale alongside the secrets of making the tangiest lemonade. The afternoon waned, and with each exchange, a glass for a cookie, a cup for a tale, a sip for a smile, the children's little jar slowly filled not just with coins but with snippets of neighborly kindness and community lore. By sunset, the jar brimmed mostly with bartered treasures, a marble, 3 rubber bands, and a handful of magic beans that Mr. Jenkins promised would grow overnight. They dragged their feet back home, the day's adventure painting their cheeks in hues of satisfaction and sun-kissed fatigue. As they recounted their earnings and stories to their mother, the real richness of their day dawned upon them. They realized that the true treasure was not in the jar, but in the joy of simple connections. The laughter, advice, and the shared moments, because sometimes, being a kid is about reveling in the pure, unadulterated joy of being part of a community, one lemonade glass at a time.